Well, I'm going to develop the activity of the video introduce yourself. In this case, video introduce myself. I'm going to show my ID of the university, and it says my name is Laura. I'm 30 years old. I have a 4 years old son. His name is Matthias. I in the last semester public accounting, and I live in a familiar house with my husband's family. Well, I think that learning English is very important because it's a tool that not only makes um, in the file of the education, but it's so important in personal life, in student, in work. So the learning English allow to make some things that are important for increase personal and professional life. So I think it's very important to take seriously the importance of learning English and learning it well because they can open many opportunities in your life, and also it probably um, gives you some for travel job. For example, I study accounting and are so many things that are uh, connected with English, so the norms and procedures and all kind of times or technical um, terms or financial that are only in English. So you can use to you can how do you say like learn English for have a very good knowledge.